Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called if can you see? Yeah. If a pregnant mother has low vibration and her unborn child is a good soul, what will be their fate? Okay, so this was the video I covered in the last video. And in today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called self-analysis sheet. So there is a sheet given here, this type of a sheet, friends. Okay, so this is a self analysis sheet, friends. Okay, so I will be covering this sheet, exactly what is written in the sheet. Okay, so I've shown you the sheet. So let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Self analysis sheet. This is a 209 video and the topic is self analysis sheet. Okay, the following is a self analysis sheet. Means it said that this sheet is a self analysis sheet which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. It lists all possible negative soul characteristic that human being can have. So in this sheet there is all possibility of soul negative list which all human being have, friends. Okay, so this Zipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. In order to change as a human being, you need to understand what to change. So in order to change as a human being, we should understand so what exactly we need to change. So and all the negative things are listed in this sheet, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Therefore, go through this list with an open mind and tick whatever quality applies to you. So we should see this sheet by going it with an open mind and we should see what qualities applies for us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Analysis need to be done at the end of the day and you must tick the qualify that manifested on that particular day. So we need to do analysis and we should take that particular thing which worked for the that particular day, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Please remember that the idea is not to be harsh to yourself. This is a look at your own soul with gentle eyes and a receptive and humble mind. So, the meaning of the sheet is not to be harsh to ourselves, right? But just to look ourselves with a receptive mind and to be humble with ourselves, friends. Okay. So, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. It is about shining the light of understanding on your own soul so that whatever is negative dissolve in the light. So it is just shining ourself in the soul, shining our soul, and whatever is negative in us just to dissolve that thing, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Even if the process is difficult at first, please trust that it will eventually lead to your healing. So even this process is difficult, that we should trust that this process is going to lead to a healing, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. It is also important to accept and embrace with humility whatever is good in you. So we should also accept this and embrace this with humility what is good in us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Your positive soul characteristic, so be aware of those and gain strength from them. So we should aware what is good in our what are our positive soul characteristic and what is good in ourselves. We should know and we should gain strength from it, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Use them to overcome the negative, but do not get proud of your good qualities. So we should use to overcome the negativity, but we should not be proud with our negative qualities, with our positive quality, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagari. Instead of feeling great, feel grateful. So instead of feeling great, we should feel grateful, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us that Koshit Bhavnagari, God bless. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us that God bless us. Okay, so I will show you what is exactly written in the sheet, friends. Okay, so can you see this sheet? Can you see, right? So I will tell you. Okay, so here it is written self analysis sheet. Okay, self analysis sheet. Then here serial number is given, and here it is written point to analyze, right? Then it is written Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So 4 weeks are written, and it is written in short form: MOTUWETHFRSA and SU. So in this short form it is written, friends. Okay. So let's see exactly what things are written here. Negative quality. So I will read for you all the negative quality which is mentioned in the sheet, friends. Okay. So here it is written revenge. Revenge is a negative quality. Number one is written revenge. Then pride. Then physical and mental abuse to self or others. So we should not physically or mentally abuse to ourselves and even to other souls, friends. Okay. This is Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us like Koshit Bhavnagari. Self pity, selfishness, show off, boast, brag, etc. Swindling, deceiving, possessiveness, in equate in inquisitiveness, spreading rumor, backbiting, being negative, thought or action, materialistic, cowardic, keeping quiet, no courage to speak up, lack of discipline, laziness, nagging, being stubborn, unpunctual, not respecting others' time, doing charity for publicity, jealous, lies, hatred, anger, irritability, irritability, hypocrisy, rudeness, depression or anxiety, always complaining, grumbling, greed, impatient, keep grudges, uh, and encourage evil, avoiding responsibility duties, sacrosum, temptation to do wrong, dominating, arguing unnecessarily, fighting, worrying, blaming someone else for your faults, talking out your frustration on someone, not practicing what you preach, misguiding someone on purpose, hurting somebody's feeling, having fun at someone else's expense, living beyond your means, stigness, wrong judgment, not praying, not controlling yourself mentally or physically, manipulation, and here total. So here instruction is also written. Every night reflect on your daily life and resolve never to repeat your mistake. Be very sincere and honest with yourself. So this is written. So friends, this topic came to an end, friends. Okay. So and as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification. So friends, in our today's video, I've covered the topic called a self analysis sheet. Okay. So in tomorrow's video, so there are some pictures, friends. Okay. So these are some pictures. I will show you it in tomorrow's video, and I'm going to cover the next chapter, that is an interview with Khorshid Rumi Bhavnagari. So this is going to be the chapter, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And you can also follow me on Instagram, friends. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's MANYUBHATTACHARJE1906. Okay. And friends, this brings to end of today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, be happy, stay blessed, and I will meet you in the next video. Okay. Till then, goodbye, friends. Okay.